Data we're all used to. We're all used to dealing with information where we can do analysis. Increasingly, digital is helping us get that data more quickly. We can use it to better focus on the problems that we've got, like reducing energy, reducing our carbon footprint, finding out how much water we're using and what the quality of that water is.
There is still a disconnectedness of different initiatives. I'm seeing lots of different organisations trying to work their way into the net zero agenda, the sustainability agenda. They themselves don't always know where to start. We need to all be working collaboratively together, pooling that knowledge, making it accessible to businesses, and turning all the talk from COP26 into action, into policy, support for business, funding. It is a multifaceted challenge. Different businesses will need to start from different starting points, depending on their sector, their size, and so on. It can be a bit of a minefield, but there is a tremendous amount of resource out there. Organisations like the KTN, like IET, the Institute for Manufacturing, the Catapult, the list goes on and on, of businesses, organisations where there is tremendous knowledge and appetite to signpost businesses to the knowledge and the funding, the support that they need.
The IET has got a great convening capacity. It's working with a lot of companies and a huge membership base. And one of the great things that it can do is bring those members together to help them share. And one of the things that the IET will do next is looking at peer-to-peer learning, where you can take the leaders from each company and get them to talk to each other, get them to share practice, but importantly get them to help each other. So if we took the leaders from, say, 6 companies in food and drink sector, we could get them to go from one company to another, to share what they're doing, but also enable each other company to learn from those leaders. So it's a type of free consultancy of using the best knowledge within the sector that comes from the IT membership.
And what we need is for IET members, future IET members and supporters, anybody who's passionate about the environment and about manufacturing, to get in touch, to lend their experience, to help us to understand what's making a difference, what works in what circumstances, in particular kinds of business. Give confidence to other business leaders so they can also make a leap forward. So we'd love people to come forward and to help us to share their knowledge and to help other business leaders.